Welcome to the future of robotics. Today, we're diving into 5 groundbreaking AI-powered humanoid robots set to redefine the way we work, communicate, and explore. If you're a robotics professional or a tech enthusiast eager to stay ahead of the curve, this is your invitation to discover the possibilities on the horizon. So, get ready to meet the machines that are more than just gadgets. They're the future of intelligence, adaptability, and precision. First on our list is Robot A, a marvel of engineering and AI designed for one of the most critical sectors, healthcare. Picture this, an assistant in the operating room, tirelessly precise, and a caregiver providing around-the-clock support for patients in need. What makes Robot A exceptional is its combination of agility and decision-making capabilities. Whether it's preparing a surgeon's tools, performing delicate procedures, or monitoring patients' vitals, Robot A is transforming healthcare into a more efficient, streamlined industry. Imagine a situation where time is everything: emergency surgeries, post-operative care, or even elderly assistance. This is where its value truly shines. With advanced diagnostic features, this humanoid reduces human error and ensures better outcomes. In action, Robot A moves gracefully through hospital wards and operating rooms, interacting seamlessly with medical professionals. It's not just a tool, it's a partner in saving lives. Step into the future of shopping with Robot B, our second standout, built for the retail space. While online shopping has its perks, the physical retail industry is far from obsolete, especially when Robot B is around to enhance it. This humanoid is a shopper's dream and a retailer's ultimate ally. Equipped with advanced cognitive AI, Robot B engages customers with human-like conversational skills, personalizing their experience. Whether answering questions, recommending products, or locating items, it makes every visit effortless and enjoyable. But this machine isn't just about customer interaction, it's also a logistics powerhouse. From tracking inventory to managing stock levels, Robot B ensures shelves are always full and the store runs like a well-oiled machine. Visualize it welcoming customers at the door, instantly understanding their preferences and guiding them to their desired products. This level of efficiency could redefine the in-store experience for both shoppers and businesses. Up next, meet Robot C, an industry titan with the strength and precision to handle the toughest tasks. Whether it's power tools, extreme heat, or hazardous conditions, this humanoid robot was built to take on challenges that are unsafe or inefficient for humans. Robot C is designed to thrive in industrial environments, factories, construction sites, and even disaster zones. With unmatched dexterity, it performs tasks like welding, assembling microchips, or lifting heavy machinery, all while minimizing errors. Safety is its strongest suit, as Robot C takes on dangerous jobs where human involvement would otherwise be risky. Picture it in action, maneuvering seamlessly around industrial equipment while maintaining a level of precision that ensures every task is executed flawlessly. And it doesn't stop there. With self-learning AI, Robot C adapts to new tasks, becoming more effective with each project. For industries focused on boosting productivity and safety simultaneously, Robot C is the ultimate problem solver. Let's change the setting from high-output factories to the comfort of home and introduce Robot D. This humanoid isn't just smart. It's emotionally intelligent and fully capable of adapting to a wide range of home environments. Robot D is designed to make life at home easier, safer, and more enjoyable. It can handle household chores, learn daily routines, and even provide companionship for elderly family members. Imagine having a robot that can cook, clean, remind you of appointments, and even hold a meaningful conversation, all while being fully attuned to your needs. Its capabilities go beyond practical tasks. Robot D can also act as a security guard, monitoring your home and alerting you in case of unusual activity. And for families with children, it's the perfect helping hand, reading bedtime stories or assisting with homework. Think of Robot D as more than a robot. It's a member of the family. With adaptive technologies and emotional intelligence algorithms, it continuously learns and evolves to meet your lifestyle. Finally, let's step into the classroom, or shall we say, the classroom of the future. Enter Robot E, a humanoid poised to redefine how we learn. Education is the foundation of society, and Robot E is here to elevate that experience. Teachers, imagine collaborating with a humanoid capable of personalized tutoring, addressing individual learning styles, and catering to multilingual students, all in real time. Robot E has an intuitive grasp of pedagogy. It doesn't just teach, it listens, observes, and adapts to students' progress. This robot brings a level of interactivity to education that keeps students engaged and eager to learn. It isn't limited to classrooms either. Robot E has applications in corporate training programs, mentorships, and even remote education scenarios. Its adaptability and interactivity position it as a game changer in equalizing access to quality education, no matter the setting. All 5 of these humanoid robots represent incredible strides in the robotics industry. They're not just machines, they're collaborators designed to enhance the way we live and work. But with groundbreaking technology comes important questions. How will industries handle the dependency on robots? Will the rapid integration of robots boost employment opportunities or create challenges for the workforce? And what ethical considerations do we need to address as humans and robots coexist? As robotics professionals, these are the challenges we're uniquely equipped to solve. From refining AI behaviors to designing robots that respect privacy and align with ethical standards, our field will shape how these machines serve us responsibly. And there you have it, the top 5 AI-powered humanoid robots destined to transform 2025 and beyond. From healthcare to education, manufacturing to homes, and retail to safety, these humanoids are redefining every sector they touch. They aren't just tools, they're trailblazers, setting a precedent for what robotics, powered by AI, can achieve. As robotics professionals, we hold the keys to advancing these technologies further, striking the perfect balance between innovation and humanity. This is your call to action. Keep experimenting, building, and pushing the boundaries of what robots can do. Who knows? The next robot to revolutionize the world could be your creation. So, are you ready to shape the future? Let's step boldly into tomorrow, one humanoid at a time.